Here we have a neat road crossing on Church Street in Gibson City, Illinois, on a CN branch line that goes somewhere near Champaign to somewhere, I'm gonna guess, in Chicagoland. So here we have the first signal. It has a Modern Industries base. Here's the emergency information from CN. The lights are 2 pairs of safe trans 12 by 24 inches with Harman or G uniform look LEDs. And then probably the best part about this crossing is that this signal has a WRS mechanical bell. Seems like everyone on this planet today cannot find their, or keeps putting on their car alarm. That's really annoying. But there's a WRS mechanical bell. I just noticed some random bell over here. Oh my god. So annoying. What is this? OS Bellco. Is this even a locomotive bell? Probably not. Probably a church bell. Yeah, it says United Methodist Church. Anyways. Super annoying people over there right now. Got wooden grades. That's looking north. That's looking south. Here's the relay case. Oh my god. How long does it take to find the button? Anyways, here's the other signal. Has a clamp style base. CN emergency information. Some safe trans 12 by 24 inch lights with General Electric uniform look LEDs. And no bell. Oh my god. Anyways, I've been hoping for a train on this line, but it's really not looking like it. It's a branch line anyway. What did they do to cause this? Finally! So yeah, this is the Church Street Road crossing in Gibson City, Illinois. Over and out.